Welcome back to another video on Auto today. We're taking a closer look at one of the most breathtaking classic automobile concepts you'll ever see, a beautifully reimagined 1937 Cadillac Series 70 Convertible Coupe Restomod Concept. Before we begin, it's important to mention that the vehicle shown here is a custom concept render inspired by a classic Cadillac, not an official General Motors production model. Even so, it perfectly captures the elegance, prestige, and timeless beauty that made Cadillac one of America's greatest luxury automobile brands. Imagine taking the graceful styling of a pre-war Cadillac and combining it with modern engineering, contemporary performance, luxurious comfort, and cutting-edge technology. The result is a vehicle that honors history while embracing the future. Throughout this review, we'll explore the stunning exterior design, handcrafted luxury interior, imagined modern V8 performance, ride quality, safety features, technology, practicality, and everything that makes this remarkable Restomod concept truly unforgettable. The very first thing you'll notice is the car's commanding front-end design. Dominating the nose is the enormous chrome waterfall grille, a signature styling element that immediately recalls the golden age of American luxury automobiles. Every vertical chrome bar reflects light beautifully, giving the car a regal appearance unlike anything on today's roads. Flanking the grille are large, round chrome headlights that maintain the authentic styling of the late 1930s while incorporating modern LED projector technology beneath their vintage appearance. Smaller, auxiliary driving lamps add additional illumination while completing the symmetrical front-end design. The sweeping front fenders are works of automotive art. Instead of sharp angles, every surface flows gracefully from one panel to another, creating a timeless elegance rarely found in modern automobiles. The brilliant white paint further enhances these flowing curves, emphasizing the craftsmanship that defines this classic design. A polished chrome front bumper stretches elegantly across the width of the vehicle. Unlike today's oversized plastic bumpers, this beautifully sculpted chrome piece feels almost like jewelry, reflecting Cadillac's commitment to luxury and attention to detail. Moving toward the side profile, the car's proportions are simply breathtaking. The impossibly long hood hints at a powerful engine underneath, while the short rear deck creates classic grand touring proportions. Every line feels smooth and intentional, demonstrating why pre-war automotive design continues to inspire collectors and designers around the world. Unlike an original 1937 Cadillac, this concept sits noticeably lower thanks to a modern performance suspension. Oversized polished alloy wheels fill the wheel arches perfectly, while low-profile performance tires give the car a subtle contemporary touch without compromising its vintage identity. Chrome mirrors, elegant hood ornamentation, polished trim, and carefully restored exterior details create a sense of handcrafted perfection rarely seen today. Stepping inside, the transformation from classic to modern becomes even more impressive. Imagine opening the long coach-style door and being greeted by handcrafted leather upholstery stitched entirely by hand. Rich walnut wood veneers cover the dashboard, door panels, and center console. Every chrome switch feels solid and precisely engineered. The seats retain their vintage appearance but incorporate modern ergonomic support, heating, ventilation, and power adjustment for exceptional comfort during long drives. Instead of traditional analog gauges alone, this concept could feature digital displays hidden behind classic instrument faces. Drivers enjoy modern information without sacrificing vintage aesthetics. But discrete touchscreen integrated into the center dashboard provides navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, climate control, and premium audio while remaining almost invisible when not in use. The steering wheel preserves its large, elegant design but includes hidden multifunction controls for audio, cruise control, and voice commands. Now, let's talk about performance. Although the original Cadillac was powered by a smooth V8 producing modest horsepower for its era, this modern Restomod deserves something far more exciting. Imagine lifting the long hood to reveal a modern Cadillac 6.2-liter, naturally aspirated V8, producing well over 450 horsepower. Alternatively, enthusiasts could imagine a supercharged V8 generating more than 6 horsepower while maintaining Cadillac's refined character. Power would be delivered through a sophisticated 10-speed automatic transmission, offering lightning-fast shifts while remaining incredibly smooth during relaxed cruising. Unlike the original car, which prioritized comfort over outright speed, this concept could accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 5 seconds. That's an astonishing level of performance for a vehicle inspired by nearly 90-year-old styling. Handling would also receive a complete transformation. Independent suspension at all four corners would dramatically improve ride quality while maintaining exceptional stability during cornering. Adaptive dampers could continuously adjust firmness, depending on road conditions and selected driving modes, Electronic power steering would deliver effortless low-speed maneuverability while providing precise feedback during spirited driving. Massive Brembo disc brakes with ABS would replace the original drum brakes, dramatically improving stopping distances and driver confidence. Safety technology would include every modern innovation imaginable. Adaptive cruise control. Automatic emergency braking. Blind spot monitoring lane assist rear cross traffic alert. Parking sensors. High definition 360 camera traffic sign recognition. Multiple airbags hidden throughout the cabin. These systems would allow drivers to enjoy classic styling without sacrificing modern safety expectations. Ride comfort remains one of Cadillac's defining characteristics. Advanced sound insulation keeps road and wind noise to an absolute minimum. Active noise cancellation further enhances cabin serenity. Premium air suspension glides effortlessly over bumps, creating the sensation of floating rather than driving. Whether cruising through downtown, streets, or crossing the country on a grand touring adventure, every mile feels luxurious. Technology extends far beyond the dashboard. Wireless smartphone charging, premium 20-speaker, surround sound, Wi-Fi hotspot capability, over-the software updates. Digital key functionality, remote climate control. Remote engine start, ambient lighting. Head-up display projected onto the windshield. Every modern convenience blends seamlessly into the timeless cabin. Practicality also improves dramatically. The trunk provides generous luggage capacity for weekend travel. Modern climate control keeps passengers comfortable in every season. Fuel efficiency benefits from cylinder deactivation and advanced engine management systems. Despite its powerful V8, highway cruising remains surprisingly economical. Customization possibilities are virtually endless. Buyers could select multiple paint colors inspired by the 1930s, handcrafted leather combinations, different wood finishes, chrome or brushed metal trim. Classic, white wall or modern performance, tires, convertible or fixed roof configurations, personalized embroidery, custom luggage sets. Every car could become a unique masterpiece built specifically for its owner. Perhaps the greatest achievement of this concept is how respectfully it models history. Instead of replacing the original character with futuristic styling, it carefully preserves every iconic design element while subtly integrating modern engineering beneath the surface. That's exactly what makes great Restomod projects so special. They allow enthusiasts to enjoy timeless beauty without accepting the compromises of 80-year-old technology. Imagine driving this Cadillac through city streets. Pedestrians stop and admire it. Children point toward its magnificent chrome grille. Older enthusiasts smile as memories return. Even owners of modern supercars glance over because elegance never goes out of style. Later that afternoon, you merge onto the highway. The powerful V8 accelerates effortlessly. The transmission shifts almost invisibly. The cabin remains whisper quiet. Modern suspension absorbs every imperfection. Adds classic luxury without classic limitations. Very few automobiles possess that rare ability to make every journey feel like an occasion. This concept certainly does. It reminds us that automotive design is more than transportation. Its art, its craftsmanship, its history preserved through innovation. Ultimately, this 1937 Cadillac Series 70 Restomod concept represents the perfect balance between heritage and modern engineering. It celebrates America's golden age of luxury automobiles while embracing today's performance, comfort, safety, and technology. Whether displayed at concours events, driven along scenic coastal highways, or admired in a private collection, this remarkable automobile would undoubtedly become one of the most desirable, classic-inspired luxury cars ever imagined. So, what do you think about this incredible Cadillac Restomod concept? Would you drive this timeless American masterpiece over a modern Rolls-Royce Bentley or Mercedes? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest classic car reviews, luxury restorations, concept vehicles, and automotive history features. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe.